Hey, Anderson here. I'm the guy that created your Praxis Math course, and I'm the director of the Learning Liaisons. Just wanted to use this checkpoint to ask you what you believe the hardest skill is for you to practice in math. The reason that we're asking this is because we want you to really hone in on that skill and really build forward with it. All right? So when you identify that one skill, whether it's systems of equations or solving equations or probability, whatever it may be, when you figure out what that skill is, I want you to go ahead and try this out. First, I want you to first go ahead and watch a video on it. Whether it's our video, whether you Google it, whether you go on YouTube, whatever it may be. But if it's systems of equations, hey, go ahead and watch our video on it or Google it and then just kind of read up on it. Familiarize yourself with the basics of it. That way you can at least understand how this might help you out in regular everyday math. Next, what you can do is then practice that skill. First, you want to be able to talk about it, and that's why you went ahead and did some research on it. Next, then go ahead and practice. From easy problems to medium to hard, or with whatever resources you have available to you, whether on our course, IXL, Khan Academy, wherever. We need you guys to practice. Using a diverse set of resources is always a good thing. So once that's done, you can always go ahead and self-reflect. Make sure you're reflecting on what you're doing. That way you can, again, elevate the way that you speak about it and continue to improve in it day in and day out. So as always, guys, if you need any help or have any questions, reach out to us. I'm Anderson. You can always reach out to Dr. A as well. That way we can continue helping you out on your journey. Remember, it's when you pass, not if. Keep up the good work.